Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of the Catherine Estates real estate tour. We're going to be doing the duplex now. So this is the attached unit. So you're going to be joined to your neighbors. So this is a lot more open concept than the last unit. As you can see, everything is in one space. The other unit had sections where you could actually enter rooms and exit rooms, but this is like an all-in-one space. So you get a cute little kitchen area with enough counter space and room to fit your stove and fridge. And guys, you can fit a massive bed in this space. Now, if you're smart, you can utilize this space so that you get more storage while also getting more space. And here I'm just showing you what the closet looks like, guys. So this is a small closet, yes, but you can fit your clothes and your shoes in here. And guys, please bear in mind that this property comes with a lot of land, like I said in part 1, so you can always add on to the sides or to the back if you want to, and then just make this a single bedroom and move the kitchen elsewhere and do whatever you want to do. So as you can see, you can fit 2 bedside tables in here, which again is just more storage, guys. I absolutely love doing this house tour because the property just has so much potential, in my opinion. If you're a young person and you're watching this, please grab the opportunity before it is gone. This is the bathroom space. So you do get stainless steel finishes. You get a small sink with storage underneath. And as you can see, the persons who did the decor, they did hang a full-length mirror on the door, and you get a modern toilet as well. And they did give you room on the wall to put a bigger mirror if you notice the tile wasn't fully built in the fitting shape of the mirror. So now I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a separate view or angle of this property so that you can just get a full scope of what the space looks like. This is a close-up of the kitchen area. So you have storage underneath, you have drawers to keep your pots and pans, and you can put your starter stove right beside the counter. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more business and real estate content. I'm just giving you guys a close-up, and we're going to go to the back of the house. So on the left side here, you're actually seeing your neighbor's unit, and coming up is the grand finale. Look at all of that space that you're getting for $6 to $7 million. So guys, please seize the opportunity before it goes.
Okay guys, so that is it for part 2 of this video. If you missed part 1, go ahead in the real estate playlist and click part 1 of Catherine Estates. So quickly guys, HHJ has actually sold out their portion of this complex, so the units that are left actually belong to NHT. So if it is that you're interested in these units, they're going absolutely fast, so you might want to contact NHT right after you're done watching this video. Again, thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and click like, and do not forget to subscribe. I'm watching you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more real estate videos. I'll see you guys next week.